Excellence.
Research.
Innovation.
Novateur. International.
The Institutes for Advanced Study in France are quite new, and there was an advantage for my particular project to being in a place where the institutes were very new.
I'm a little bit familiar with the model of Institutes of Advanced Studies in the US at places like Stanford University, and I'd see the Collegium de Lyon as becoming on the same level as that as it matures.
In addition, Lyon was the most attractive of the 4 new institutes because there were people here whose research was very closely allied with mine.
Lyon est en effet très bien situé, tant au niveau de la France que de l'Europe. Et puis l'addition du Collégium à Lyon ajoute un exemple supplémentaire à la qualité de l'environnement.
I see it as a kind of an umbrella that provides a wonderful administrative support and a great working environment in which a collection of national and international scholars can come together, can work on their own projects, can work with each other, and can work with experts in their own field in Lyon.
C'est le lieu des croisements disciplinaires, des échanges au niveau culturel.
C'est aussi un lieu où on peut mener des recherches de pointe et rendre accessibles les résultats de nos recherches, tant au niveau de la communauté scientifique que vers la population en général.
From my point of view, I'd say that the values of the Collegium de Lyon are first of all the intellectual freedom it offers, but at the same time combining that with a respect for the ideas of others.
The researchers are given the opportunity to just focus on one project at a time. You don't have to be spending time thinking about teaching or service or any other activities. You just focus on a large research project.
Pour moi, les valeurs du Collégium de Lyon sont la liberté de penser, l'ouverture scientifique, la collégialité et puis l'excellence.
I'm interested in particular in the range of different speech sounds that are used in the languages all around the world. We still don't really know how many different speech sounds are used and what might remain to be discovered. For some time, I've been working on collecting a database of this kind of information, and it's served already as a basis of study for several descriptions of how many sounds are used and where they're found around the world.
Alors, mes travaux de recherche portent sur les bandes exotiques du cinéma français des premiers temps, donc à savoir les films réalisés par les opérateurs Lumière et Cannes, donc des archives de la planète, partis à l'étranger pour recueillir les images d'un monde extra-européen. Et donc le but de cette recherche est de comprendre quelle mémoire on va tenter d'aller recueillir. Est-ce la mémoire de l'étranger, de l'autre, de l'ailleurs, ou est-ce simplement la projection de ses propres fantasmes européens sur l'ailleurs?
My own research project is on the social construction of interdisciplinarity. What that means is that I'm looking at what has to happen in order for people from different disciplines to come together and work on a project jointly. As a communication professor, what interests me are the forms of communication that we use in order to permit such conversations. So how do people use the new technologies, for example, as a way of managing the problem of having different disciplinary orientations, having different theoretical backgrounds, and having different methods that they would like to use in their work.
Mon travail se situe au niveau de l'acquisition des langues chez les enfants. Dans cette recherche-là, on compare les enfants qui apprennent diverses langues. Et puis, ce qu'on se rend compte de plus en plus, c'est que les mécanismes qui gèrent l'acquisition des langues sont très généraux, et puis que les différences entre les langues sont en fait plutôt superficielles.
I think my research has a certain social value. In particular, it insists on the importance of every single language and that every language has value in teaching us about the common human language faculty, and so it provides testament to the commonality of humankind all around the world.
J'interroge l'image, son impact sur la société du passé, mais aussi à travers elle sur la société actuelle.
Hopefully what I learn here is something that I can share with other people who do interdisciplinary research in any context. And since interdisciplinary research is something that's used for real-world problems, usually larger problems, like those concerning the environment or medicine and society, these are topics that ought to be of interest to a larger public outside of a university.
Toutes nos sociétés modernes fonctionnent sur la base de communication langagière. Et puis tous les enfants doivent apprendre à parler. Par contre, il y a entre 10 et 15% des enfants qui apprennent soit mal à parler ou soit difficilement à parler. Mes recherches, qui servent à comprendre les mécanismes d'acquisition du langage, servent de base au développement de diagnostics et de traitements pour ces enfants-là, qui sont présents dans la société d'aujourd'hui et puis qui vont contribuer à la société de demain.